Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Thank you for staying with us. Pear baked with cheese, cooking time 30 minutes for 4 servings. We will need 4 small ripe and firm pears, 80 to 100 grams of blue cheese, 70 grams of homemade young cheese, 50 grams of aged cheese, 20 grams of butter, 1 clove of garlic, juice and zest of half a lime, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, thyme for serving, salt, ground black pepper. Press the garlic and mix with the homemade cheese and finely chopped blue cheese. Grate the hard cheese on a fine grater and mix with the other cheeses. Season the filling with salt and pepper. Cut the pears in half and remove the core. Cut off a little flesh from the opposite side so that the pear is stable. Sprinkle the pears with lime juice.
Melt the butter in a heavy, bottomed frying pan. Fry the pears.
Fry the pears in butter for 2 minutes on each side. Transfer the pears to a heat-proof dish lined with baking paper. Spread the filling over the pears, pressing it into the hollows. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the pears from the oven, arrange them on plates, drizzle with olive oil. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar, garnish with thyme and lime zest, and serve.
Bon appetit!
Per 100 grams of product, there are 182 calories, which is 10.15% of the daily norm.